Hi, I am MS Milton. My qualification is MTech in Mechanical Engineering from NIT Jalandhar. And right now I am working as a mathematics mentor at Self Shiksha. And earlier I was an HOD in Mechanical Engineering department in LRIT Solan. Today we are going to discuss mathematics of JEE Advanced, and the question is related to matrices. Okay, the first question is, if P is an orthogonal matrix and Q equals to P A P transpose and B equals to P transpose Q to the power 1000 and P, then we have to find B inverse where A is involuntary matrix, and options are A to the power 1000, hereditary matrix, and none of these. So start the solution. First of all, it is given that P is orthogonal matrix. Given P is an orthogonal matrix. Okay, so we can write P transpose P equals to identity matrix. This is the definition of orthogonal matrix. Okay, now it is also given Q equals to P A P transpose. Okay, and B equals to P transpose Q to the power 1000 P. Okay, so we can write for Q P A P transpose, that means B equals to, we can write P transpose into P A P to the power P transpose to the power 1000 into P, and we can write B equals to P transpose into P A P to the power P transpose into P A P transpose to the power 999 into P, and that equals to I A P transpose P A P transpose P A P transpose to the power 998 into P. Okay, so we can write A into I into A into P transpose into P A P transpose to the power 998 into P. Okay, so here we can write A square into P transpose into P A P transpose to the power 998 into P. Okay, so B equals to A square P transpose into P A P transpose to the power 998 into P. So similarly we can proceed like this. So we can write up to that A to the power 1000, that I will get, but it is given that A is an involuntary matrix. Okay, so we can write that equals to I. Now we have to find B inverse. So B inverse equals to I inverse, and we know that identity matrix has its own inverse, so we can write I inverse equals to I. So my option goes to option number C. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Let's see next question. We are going to discuss next question. Next question is, if A is a diagonal matrix of order 3 by 3 is commutative with every square matrix of order 3 by 3 under multiplication, and trace A equals to 12, then the determinant of A is, we have to find the determinant of A. Here it is given that A is a diagonal matrix of order 3 by 3 commutative with every square matrix. So let's start the solution. Here A is commutative with every square matrix. Here A is commutative with every square matrix. Okay, so we can say that A is a scalar matrix, hence A is a scalar matrix, and here trace of A is equals to 12 and order of A is 3 by 3. Okay, so we can conclude here that element of the diagonal of A is 12 by 3 equals to 4. So we can write A equals to 400,040,004. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to find the determinant of A, that equals to 64. So my answer goes to option number A. So A is the correct option.